Hello all, I am a student of a CRS Info Solutions. I came to know about this CRS Info Solutions from internet. I gone through the syllabus and then I decided to join this Salesforce Admin Plus Developer course. The best thing about this institute is the trainer and supportive staff. Trainer is having a in-depth knowledge about the Salesforce. He is having many years of industry experience. He takes mock interviews, mini projects, assignments. If you go through these all assignments and mini projects time to time, then you will get a great confidence to face any difficult interviews. CRS Info Solutions staff, as I said, is supportive just because if you have any query, they always available on phone call, on chat. If you have any doubts, they clear immediately. The second thing, if you still have any issues regarding faculty, they have option to change the faculty as well. But the faculty which I have got is very knowledgeable, and I am really enjoying to learn the Salesforce. As I don't have much coding knowledge, so I was very afraid about how I could learn. But the course and the teaching is so designed, and he teaches in such a unique fashion that even though you don't have any coding knowledge, you could get a great confidence. If you really want to excel your career in Salesforce, then I recommend CRS Info Solution is the only one institute where you can take an admission, and then I am very much sure you will get your dream job. Thank you.